Hey guys, it's Brandon with Investment Joy, and today we're having a Minecraft special. Easter weekend is coming up, and we are doing a contest on the Minecraft server. We're giving away some free Ridge wallets as part of an Easter egg hunt. I know it's kind of weird that we're doing a investment video, Minecraft. How on earth do those things have anything to do with the channel? And the answer is a lot. I used to play video games. I still do, I guess. This is technically my server, and it's a situation where my brother and I used to play video games on a regular basis, but we weren't into the normal. I mean, we played Doom and Wolfenstein, stuff like that. They're fun, but we were more into the RTS and financial sims like SimCity and Civilization, and there was a really awesome production game called Capitalism, and I mean, you can get those online still, but we grew up playing video games. I don't even want to think of how many thousands of hours I've played video games. I thought, you know, as a part of the things that we could do with this channel, it'd be really fun to do a Minecraft server. So we started one at investmentcraft.org. It runs on Java right now. We're in the process of getting it set up so that it'll work with Bedrock. Once we do that, then it'll work with Xboxes and PS4s and everything like that. So we've got this server set up, and it runs on a financial plugin, several financial plugins called Townie. I have recreated the laundromat, and we're trying to run a full economic world on this where you can get jobs, you can earn money. Like with this, there's 130 workers on here, and we're going to turn off chat settings just because it would be wise. And I've tried my best to recreate the laundromat. The goal is to have a situation here where you can go and browse the laundromat and not destroy it. It is still a work in progress, much like the real one. We're even putting signs on the virtual laundromat to encourage people to invest in real-life stocks through Webull. Go to the link in the description. It's like I've said in other prior videos, the best day to start investing is yesterday. The second best time to start investing in the stock market would be today, and I truly mean that. And the server idea is to get people to go in and learn about business, have some fun playing games, but ultimately to encourage and start a culture of investing, running businesses, and things like that. And if we can do it through video games, then more power to everybody. And there are so many people that are laid off right now and are just not having, yes, I'm basic Steve. There's just so many people right now that are either out of jobs or they're at home, they're not doing anything productive. I thought, you know, it'd be great to get the server up, and Skyfish, Ashton, and a whole bunch of other people have worked extravagantly hard to get the server up, so big shout out to them. And we're running a host of economic modifications on the server so that you earn money and you can do these things like that. You can start your own real estate investment company from within the game. You use you do something called claiming land. T-Spawn Gallia. This is the first city that started. They set up their own town and block system. They've got a full-size SimCity type deal here with blocks. They sell blocks for about $5,000 each. I'm gonna have to turn the chat off again. This is awful. But you can buy land, you pay taxes, you can set up a town that does not pay taxes, and you can try and start all these mini businesses on here. And it's just a way for my channel to encourage entrepreneurship regardless of your age. I've been playing Minecraft since 2012, so I got on one of the very early alphas. I actually used to play Minecraft before it was called Minecraft. Back in the day when it was actually called Dwarf Fortress, and it ran on ASCII graphics. I actually built an i7 quad-core PC that I overclocked just to try and get the pathfinding algorithm on the game to run efficiently on my system, to get the 2000 or 200 FPS on it, which was just pretty much impossible. So this is our server. Like I said, it's at investmentcraft.org. Don't neglect to sign up for Webull if you already haven't. I am, just like on Discord, I am here on a regular basis. And one of the things that we do is we're trying to accurately model, or at least try to accurately simulate, an economy on Minecraft. And do videos about it. I promise you this is not going to ever become a gaming channel. I don't have time to do that, guys. I have enough time to get on here maybe, like 10, 15 minutes a day, talk to everybody and play on it a little bit. But to encourage entrepreneurship, people to start a business or to do anything kind of like that on the server. As some of you guys know, we've also gone and we started a merchandise store, and the merchandise store is supposed to make money. The Minecraft server, it is free to play, but there are some like cosmetic upgrades, and you can get VIP status, which gives you some extra things. You can silk touch a spawner. It costs $25. Now, out of those two things, I want to ask you, which one do you think sold more so far? Merchandise or the Minecraft server? Be sure to like and subscribe to this, like this video and subscribe to the channel. It'll help promote this kind of content, because I want to do videos on the in-game economics and how much the Minecraft server makes. I asked the guys this morning how much the Minecraft server has made in 3 weeks, and it's over $600. It's about $650. Like I've said on my community posts, I don't make any money off this. The money just keeps getting reinvested back into the server for upgrades and plugins if it comes time, just to make the server a much higher quality, maybe mod staff. We can give away some wallets in the Easter egg hunt, some things like that, which will be starting almost immediately and run for about a day. There's going to be Easter eggs hidden all over the server, and whoever gets the top number of Easter eggs wins their choice of wallet, whatever color I have in. I've got Desert Tan, OD Green, I've got Titanium, all sorts of cool Ridge wallets that we're going to give away. The top one gets it. No cheating. But the big thing is, I want to encourage entrepreneurship and starting a business, and through video games is kind of a fun way to do it. But through that, the server has made over $600, and between $600 and $700, it's free to play. The merchandise store has made almost nothing. It's less than $100, and that excludes the cost of goods sold. So it's even less than that. This is my hovel home. So I've tried to do my best to make the laundromat. It's a warpable location, along with these other ones. We even have a communist commune. So we've got capitalists and socialists and all sorts of people in between competing against each other on a Minecraft server in order to have fun and play games together, which I think is a really good thing, especially when everybody is quarantined up and doesn't have anything to do. Why would you go outside into the real world when you can go into a virtual environment? With the economic plugins, I'll look at Atlantica. I don't go to these towns super often. And then we've got leaderboards in the game, a Mr. C 45601, that's a really odd number. I don't know why I've heard that number before, but he is the top person on the game right now in terms of money and cash flow, and the game tracks your bank account balance, your net assets, or your net income, or your net assets after your liabilities are calculated up. And we use it to check total server inflation. We have deflation events, just as good teaching tools to sort of help people understand how the real world economy can act as compared to the Minecraft economy, which I think is going to be super fun. We have this totally amazing town that was built by people on the server. It's awesome. We are building some Easter events here. We are building a gigantic Excel spreadsheet inside Minecraft that will pull information from a centralized database on server statistics. On top of that, you can actually use the Webull stockbroker to go and buy real world stocks inside Minecraft, and it will contribute to your game balance as another wonderful, fun educational tool. This is the spawn location, or the spawn world. Okay, here's part of the monument. Okay, that's the big giant chocolate bunny Skyfish made on the server. I don't know if this has anything to do with the Easter egg hunt that we'll be dropping on the server. Go down in the descriptions and it'll have some more information about the event. Once again, the server is at investmentcraft.org, and please don't crash the server. We do have a 100 user limit. We have almost got rid of all the lag problems, and it's just a really fun environment. I'll be off and on this weekend. I am in the process of setting up a professional video studio. This is probably the last video you'll see with my guitar amplifiers in this environment. The office that I've been doing most of my recording in is in a large warehouse. I'm actually moving to a professional video studio, or at least hillbilly professional for me, in the Brandon Investment Joy sort of way. But it's one of those things where it's one of these fun little offshoot projects that we've tried to do on the channel, and it's this odds thing that now it's making quite a bit of money. We will have some more Excel videos as I go into the statistics of the laundromat. I actually couldn't do a collection video today at the laundromat because there was no way to go in and do collections and maintain social distancing. We're trying to socially distance in the state of Ohio, and that just was not in the cards for this. Let's see another town that I can go to. Let's go to the casino. Gambling is legal on the server, although it might not be in the state of Ohio. To have your own one, you can buy diamonds off body_master, and it will be fun. We also have a Minecraft voice chat and other things on the Discord server. I know one of these guys had his whole total balance. He had to go get loans from other players in the game because somebody won the jackpot on his casino and he lost all of his in-game money. We also have rewards based on voting and server time, which I think is also kind of cool. So it's one of those things that we would love for you to get on. We even have China on the server. Oh, it's not a public town. Oh, just think you would have got your town featured on a YouTube video if you would have had it able to be warpable. We'll go to one more town, and then can we go to the bunker? Yes, we can, and it's another shop. So get on here and try out the server. I would love to have you on. Big shout out to Skyfish and Ashton and Lilith. And I know there's probably 100 more people. We'll do some more of these Minecraft videos here soon. Once again, I don't want to tell everybody to spend all your time on playing Minecraft, but it's a really wonderful educational tool, I think. So you can learn about how economics work. You can learn about how stocks work. And, although you might not be in position in your life to invest in real life stocks, hopefully it'll motivate you to start doing that. Once again, you need to click the link in the description to sign up to Webull, and they are still giving away 2 free stocks. They've got another deal where you can get like 50 or 100 free stocks if you deposit enough money. So once again, this is Brandon with Investment Joy. If you like content like this, I would love for you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's my goal to make you guys rich, and if playing a video game can help get you motivated to start your own business and to get involved in finance and entrepreneurship, I would love for you to do it. So once again, this is Brandon. Thank you guys for watching, and have fun, and see you on the server and or the Discord channel. Thank you guys.